but I think there might be a little bit too much reverb in there. Hello to you once again. I didn't say that. Radio Man, I didn't say that. Don't put that on the Watergate. I got down.
On my being there, but yeah, you're making a fine trip. I heard you out there earlier, I believe, too.
How about that, Motormouth Mall? How about that, Motormouth Mall? Oh, 33 Steve. Around the Great Lakes. We're keying down for you, Motormouth Mall.
I know, Skywalker. All right, I got...
Oh, no. Oh, no. Somebody recorded that. Oh, no.
Hey, Motormouth Mall. Hey, Motormouth Mall. 33 up around Great Lakes. We're trying.
Roger there. Hey, Mr. McLean, I heard you out there while you're doing your thing out there. Hello, and hello out there around the Great Lakes. 33, I believe that was out there on the Great Lakes. Radio station, Motormouth Mall, waving their break. Let's go.
Hey, Motormouth Mall, you're sounding really good today. Sounding really good up here around the Great Lakes. I thought about turning the old gate on myself. Showing you what you sound like on YouTube. Over.
Well, I sure appreciate the flowers. What you say sounds real good coming around the Great Lakes today. And I'll tell you what, I appreciate you bumping it down here and looking around the central coast of California out there in fine style. As I work this little Cooper 29 out here with this Motormouth Mall technology. One time in the world of sound. 833 Motormouth Mall waving. Let's go.
Oh, you just sounded bodacious there, Motormouth Mall. Oh, clean audio, good carrier. You hit me with a 40 over. And I got my beam straight pointed right at you with the Mako 103. And oh my golly, you just sounding just top notch today, my friend. 33 Steve, up here around the Great Lakes with the wave.
Over with the Mako 103 pointed my way. That's a pretty wild signal, I'll tell you right there. Check this out. Where are you?
Clean audio, good carrier. You hit me with a 40 over. I got my beam straight pointed right at you with the Mako 103.
Holy, there you were. Out there, you see, you got a Mako M103 pointed out here on the West Coast, and you're walking the dog, kicking the Logia 33 Motormouth Mall, Stephenville, California, getting on down in the diesel pick-em-up truck, right?
Oh, you just sounded good. Well, I thank you for them good numbers, Motormouth Mall. I hear a lot of people out there trying to get to you, and I don't want to hog up the channel. So, old 33 Steve up here around Michigan, Great Lakes, we're standing by, QRT.
Okay, sounds good. Take care, 7-3. So I do appreciate you bumping it down out here in the world of sound, as you did that in fine style. Always good to visit around the cold Great Lakes. I understand that about 80% roughly of the Great Lakes is covered by ice or snow right about now. That's the first time, or the worst has been in what, since 1977 or 8, somewhere around there, break.
Oh yeah, that's affirmative. That is affirmative. We've had the worst winter right now that they're saying that's on record is what they're saying right now. We got about 4.5 feet of snow on the ground where I am. I'm right in between Lake Superior and Lake Michigan. I'm up in the old Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Over.
Wow, that's crazy. You know, there's that weird audio again. 4.5 feet of snow on the ground. That is downright miserable, I would imagine. I mean, we're sitting out here in California experiencing a beautiful 70. Well, I'll tell you what, my phone says it is 60. What? My phone might be a little wrong. It's not 64 degrees out there. It's about 70. Maybe, okay, I'll take that back. Maybe it was 70 degrees or a little bit better than 70 earlier. But it's 4:22 p.m. out here now, so obviously the sun's starting to get a little bit lower, and wind comes up, and it cools down a little bit more. But yeah, it would be miserable out there, that crazy cold weather there. Hello to you once again, 33 around the cold, the Great Lakes, Motormouth Mall, central coast of sunny Southern California. Got down there, 39.
Yeah. Well, you just keep doing your good stuff, my friend. You just keep doing your good stuff. You stay in that warm weather, and we'll catch you on the flip side. And I'm gonna get on out of here and I'm going to take me a standby. Oh, 33 Steve. They call me Steve up around the Great Lakes.
Yeah, see all your people and stuff talking about that.
410. Okay, well, I appreciate the flowers and the kind words. Ain't no doubt about that. Hey, by the way, 33, have a enjoyable Thanksgiving, the sweet thing tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and combined with Valentine's Day, all in one shot. So anyway, I thank you very much for bumping it down that Take care, 7-3s, 33, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast beast, waving. And I also got to say hello to Marlboro Man out there, too. Ain't no doubt about that.